Hello everybody, welcome to my English class. Today we would learn about notice writing. A notice is a written or printed announcement, example, a notice for sale. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. It could be an upcoming event, competition, lost and found notice, or just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. It is generally written in a formal tone. Notices are factual and to the point. The language used is simple and formal, not flowery. They are put on display boards in schools or at public places. Let us know how to write a notice in English, as a question on notice writing is a part of English writing skills for classes 8th to 12th. Format for notice writing. The format of a notice should include name of the institution, issuing authority, notice, title, date, and writer's name with designation. It should contain all the details such as name of the issuing agency or school, etc., date of issue or release of the notice, title or subject of the event, what, body, that is date, time, duration, place or venue, when and where, authorized signatory, in that it will come name and signature, that is the contact details. So we can see the format here, name of the issuing agency or authority, notice will be the heading, date of issue or release of the notice, title or subject of the event, body, date or time or duration, place or venue. Please follow the given tips while attempting a question based on notice writing format. It can be for classes 8th to 12th English writing skills. Do not cross the word limit to avoid penalty of marks. The prescribed word limit is 50 words. Repetition of any information should be avoided. Always enclose the notice in a box. Make sure you draw the box with a pencil. Keep your notice short, crisp and to the point. Highlight the word notice and title. It can be either bold or underlined. The title should be captivating and eye-catching. Don't make hypothetical information and facts. Make use of what's given in the question. Make sure you do not mention your personal information. Make use of all the available information in the question. Your answer shall include answers to all the 5 W's, that is what, why, when, where and who. The purpose for which it is being written should be stated clearly. Focus on presentation and clarity. Now, example for notice writing. Here we will see question for notice writing that are asked in exams. Question is, water supply will be suspended for 8 hours from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 6th of March for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj, Secretary, Janata Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Kurnool. So here what we have to follow. We have to write the heading Janata Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Kurnool. So first you will mention authority name, then heading notice, then date of issue, that is 1st March 2019 or 20, what is the year they are mentioned. Then next is title or subject of the event. After that mention on which date, time and place. Then at last put authorized signatory, which refers to name, designation, and signature. So hope you would have understood the meaning and format of notice writing. Thank you.